This is Braden Powell. That's his best friend, his brother Charlie.
The courtroom was filled with Susan Cox's family and friends, all waiting to hear opening remarks more than 10 years after Susan went missing. Their attorney's case was clear. The state should be held responsible when caseworkers brought the boys to his father's Puyallup home that fateful day.
They delivered these boys to a house where he was able to take the boys away from the supervisor, slammed the door in the supervisor's face.
What happened next was graphic and terrifying. The boys were attacked by their father, who then blew up his home, killing himself and his sons. But state attorneys claim social workers indeed followed policies and court orders. Plus, one of the doctors working on the case had recently just been in contact with Josh.
Listen to the evidence in this case. You sift through it, you look at it reasonably and logically, and not allow it to be clouded by the brutal nature of the murders.
Cox's family's attorneys wonder what could have happened had the state not allowed Josh to see his boys that day, but the state's attorney insists DSHS could not deny the boy's father from seeing his kids.
The department can also not use limitation of visitation as a sanction if they're not happy with the way a parent is acting during a visitation. The only authority to limit visitation is the court.
The Cox family is asking the jury to award them tens of millions of dollars. Opening statements ended today, and more witness testimony is expected through the rest of this week. In Tacoma, Steve Kiggins, Q13 News.
All right, Steve, thank you.